Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is February 6th, 2025, and the top crypto news is as follows. We will start with our countries and begin with El Salvador, which believes we are still in a market low. That's why it made another big purchase, acquiring 12 BTC at the current price, bringing its total holdings to 6,068 BTC. From El Salvador, we head to America, specifically Ohio, where a second bill has been introduced to make Bitcoin a reserve. An Ohio legislator has proposed this bill to allow the state to invest in Bitcoin and establish a legal framework for the largest cryptocurrency in the market. The bill states that investments in Bitcoin must be maintained for at least 5 years without the possibility of selling them. Additionally, it mandates a secure custody solution for Bitcoin holdings. Moreover, the bill requires the state and its entities to accept cryptocurrency for tax payments. The map in front of you shows how many US states have issued Bitcoin reserve bills and how many have yet to do so. Now, moving on, we turn our attention to the SEC. Reports indicate that the agency is restructuring its personnel, leading to significant internal shifts. At least 50 legal staff members have been reassigned within the SEC, many of whom were previously working on crypto regulation. This reduction in crypto-focused staff suggests a shift in priorities. Among those affected is a notable figure, Mr. Jorge Tenreiro, a key legal advisor in major crypto cases, including Ripple and Coinbase. He has now been transferred to the SEC's IT department, meaning he will no longer be involved in cryptocurrency-related regulatory matters. Additionally, acting CFTC Chair Caroline Pham announced that the agency will discontinue its aggressive enforcement approach. Previously, under the Trump administration, the CFTC often pursued immediate regulatory actions against crypto companies. However, moving forward, the agency will issue warnings, allowing companies to correct compliance issues before facing penalties. This marks a shift in regulatory strategy. Next, we turn to ETFs. BlackRock, a major financial institution from the US, is expanding into Europe. Instead of launching an ETF, BlackRock plans to introduce a Bitcoin ETP, most likely in Switzerland, broadening its cryptocurrency product offerings. From what we know, this is not a spot Bitcoin investment. Finally, let's look at today's featured exchange, Crypto.com. The exchange is reportedly planning to launch its own ETF in the near future, along with its own stablecoin. It's worth noting that Crypto.com has obtained regulatory approval to operate legally in Europe. Crypto.com released its roadmap, which includes many products set to launch gradually throughout 2025, featuring numerous AI systems. The most interesting developments are coming in the third quarter of 2025 with the release of the Crypto.com stablecoin, and in the fourth quarter of 2025 when they plan to submit a request for their own ETF. Crypto.com seems to have big plans for 2025, and all of this could positively impact its own currency. Moving on from Crypto.com, let's talk about MicroStrategy. We recently learned that the company has been renamed Strategy. In addition to this name change, a new share class called Strike was introduced, providing a new way to raise funds. Each 10 shares of Strike will be equivalent to 1 share of MicroStrategy. This move was designed to raise more than $500,000 to purchase Bitcoin. From MicroStrategy's latest moves, we now turn to our final news of the day, which concerns Ondo Finance. This platform has undergone significant upgrades and now facilitates the tokenization of real-world assets on the blockchain. Ondo Finance recently launched Ondo Global Markets, a blockchain-based solution designed to bring traditional financial markets on-chain, making them more accessible and efficient. What will this new platform include? It will feature over 1,000 tokenized assets from ETFs, NASDAQ-listed shares, and major stocks such as Apple, Tesla, and Uber. This integration marks a significant expansion for Ondo Finance, which could positively impact its currency. While we haven't yet seen extensive details on how the platform operates, I have additional resources for you to study, including their official website, where we can explore this new offering in greater detail. And now, it's time to check in on our favorite crypto market. Bitcoin is currently standing at $97,000, and we are approaching a key resistance level. We await the next geopolitical developments, whether from Mr. Trump or other global players, which could impact the market. That wraps up the top news for crypto today is February 6, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care everyone, and have a good day.